MicroStrategist CEO Michael Saylor has an astonishing prediction. He says Bitcoin will gain 30% annually every year for 20 years. We should point out that Bitcoin is down 44% just in the last 12 months. Anthony Pompliano joins us this morning. Okay, when will we start to see, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? What is going to make Bitcoin go up 30% every year for 30 years?
Well, let's start with first, what do people think the stock market's going to do? Historically, people would say it's
on,
7, 8, 9. Well, hold on. Think about it for a second.
Look, what's going to make people buy this endlessly? Up 30% for 30 years?
The only thing that matters in finance is that the people in Washington, D.C., they are absolutely ridiculous. They will not stop printing money. If they keep printing money, Bitcoin is going to keep going up over the long run. So will gold, so will real estate, so will stocks. If they print money, asset prices will go to the moon, and Bitcoin happens to be the single most sensitive asset in the world to global liquidity. And so all you're betting on is the stupidity of the politicians to keep printing money. And I don't know about you, but that is a bet I will take all day long, is they are never, ever, ever going to stop printing money.
I don't know of any investment which is even likely or possibly going to go up 30% every year for 30 years. I don't know anything.
Take away the time component for a second, right? As I was telling you before, 20 years is a long time. 20 years ago, people didn't know how to spell AI. So we got to make sure that a lot of technology can change in 20 years. But I do think that, let's just say over a 10-year time period, if you look at the government printing of money, it is accelerating. Bitcoin has historically, over the last 10 years, compounding a growth rate of over 60%. And so if they're printing money faster in the next 10 years than in the last 10 years, then I think that, again, we're saying that Bitcoin's compounding annual growth rate comes down 50%. That's not crazy.
Okay, I want to get something in. You've got a new AI model.
Yes.
It's called Silvia. What's so different about it?
So Silvia, today we're making an announcement that Silvia is officially the most factually accurate AI product when it comes to taxes. So if you're a wealthy individual and you want to use AI to manage your finances, Silvia now is able to do this in a way that other models can't do. So all the frontier models, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, et cetera, we are better at doing this for tax-related topics than they are.
How much?
The entire key to this is it's free, and then you pay $20 a month if you used it enough and you hit a paywall. But I think the single most important part of this is people are beginning to realize that using AI to manage your finances is incredibly valuable, because it's like having a smart friend who knows your personal finances. And so the entire product is personalized to you as an individual.
How many daily users do you have?
So we've got over 50 billion in assets. We've got 20,000 people who have come onto the platform and connected an account. It's probably the largest AI finance product in the market, at least that we are aware of. And I think that this announcement today around the tax supremacy, the fact that we're the king of tax when it comes to AI products, I think is really going to open people's eyes, because the way we did it is very different. These companies are trillion-dollar companies with billions of dollars of assets, and we were able to do it with a very small team, and we were able to outmaneuver them.
Well, you've just given us a commercial for Silvia and a commercial for Bitcoin at the same time. That's pretty good going.
I tend to think that AI is going to be offense, Bitcoin is going to be defense, and so CFOSylvia.com.
Anthony, come and see us again soon, okay?
Thank you,
sir.